G'day, welcome back to part 10 of the debuild rebuild. Friday night, down the shed. We've got a few small jobs to get sorted out on the Patrol. We got it running last time, if you've seen that. Wasn't too good, which ended up being the fuel pump. You would have seen as I went to rev it up, it sort of stayed, didn't do anything, and then all of a sudden it started to run on. So I had a block of wood ready to shut it off, so we were lucky to turn that off, weren't we?
Yep.
So yeah, had a mate help us out with a fuel pump, old Rocket Man, thanks brother, and BJ, old mate from down south. Thanks for hooking us up, mate. Alright, let's get stuck into it. Well, we got the exhaust all welded up. Hopefully the big fella under there. Is he comfy? You comfy under there?
Not really.
Not really? Alright. You only got a few bolts to do, mate. Let's get it on. It did sound tough straight out the manifold. But I don't want to burn his hands. Do we?
No.
Nah. Let's get it on. Alright, all sorted under there, mate? The exhaust all good?
Yep.
How much warranty do you give me?
I don't know.
Okay, well, big fella, where are you? Over there. Time to bleed the clutch, mate. Jump in the driver's seat.
Alright.
Right, you good to go?
Yep.
Okay, pump it up. Yeah, hold it down. Right, pump it up. You bloody pumping that, mate?
Yep.
Right, hold it down. You holding that down? Hey. Right, pump it up again. Right, hold it down. You holding that down?
Yeah.
Right. You pumping that up, mate?
Yep.
Right. Righto. How's that pedal feel, big fella?
All good.
All good. Can you smell petrol?
Oh!
Okay, mate, that's connected. Hey! Glow it now, mate. Wait for that glow light to go out. I can't hear it. Oh, this is doing run, boy. Got a little leak. How bloody good's this? It's running like a charm. What do you reckon, mate? Good. We've got a small fault. I'll show you now. So everything's running not too bad, except for that little leak from that return line there. Oh, look at the size of my finger. Yeah, just some there. But anyway, let's try one more thing. Bit in reverse, mate. Let the clutch out. Oh, yeah, boy. Righto, stop. Oh, put it back in first gear, mate. Bring her in. She's driving. Yeah, boy. Righto, hold it there, mate. Off we go. How's it going, mate?
Good.
Alright, just take it slow. See how we go. What do you reckon? Is going alright? What are our temps? We've got good temps, oil pressures. Hey, it's not even hot. That's not right. These things are meant to run hot, aren't they?
Currently we're going 0.
Zero? Well, I hope you are. Only when you're going slow, mate, through the backyard here. Seems to be going alright so far. Well, I reckon that's enough for tonight, mate. We better go find the other kids and oh, Mum's looking at you, mate. You're gonna get in trouble. Alright, we'll get the other two and we better take them for a lap tomorrow, eh?
Yeah.
Show them how it goes. Night night. Back into it. Dad forgot about early morning football. Anyway, we're going to put the bumper bar on first so we can work out the exhaust tip and then take the little ones for a cruise. Bumper bars back on. We're having a bit of a disagreement at the moment, aren't we?
Yeah.
What way are we going to fit the exhaust tip on? The argument is all over. The big fella wants the exhaust to hang out this way. I would like it to hang out something like that. But no, the big little fella, he wants to have it up like this. Is that right? Something like that? Which way should we have it? We'll make it 1, maybe 2, or 3. Come on, guys. Number 2.
1.
No, 2. 2.
1.
2.
1. 1. 3.
Ah. Well, that was some good fun. Couple of laps around the house. Did you have fun there, kids?
Yes.
Where are you, big little fella? You there somewhere? Oh, well. What do we got to say now? That's about it. Yeah. Take it easy. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe and like.
Yeah, do that if you feel like it. Otherwise, yeah, take it easy. See when I'm looking at you. Hey. Oh,